For 100 years, the Bay East Association of Realtors has set the standard for leadership, innovation, professionalism, and service.
Let's look back at a century of milestones.
1922.
Real estate professionals in the city of Alameda formed the Alameda Association of Realtors.
1947.
The Southern Alameda County Real Estate Board is formed. Its offices are located on Commercial Street in Hayward, and the first president is John Diedrich from San Leandro.
1957.
Lock boxes are made available to members.
1971.
Bernard Adams is the first of 7 Bay East members to serve as president of the California Association of Realtors.
1978.
The Bay East Foundation is established.
1992.
Computerized MLS replaces printed MLS books.
1993.
Mary Jane Deering is the first of 6 Bay East members to serve as the president of the California Women's Council of Realtors.
In 2001.
Maxine Jennings is the first of 2 Bay East members to serve as president of the National Women's Council of Realtors.
2002.
Bay East launches the first version of its website.
2004.
Bay East establishes its in-house technical support department.
2012.
Bay East launches the weekly Buzz video.
Dexter Latt serves as president of the Chinese American Real Estate Association.
2016.
Bay East purchases an office building in Pleasanton.
2017.
The Alameda Association of Realtors merges with Bay East.
William Brown is the first Bay East member to serve as president of the National Association of Realtors.
2020.
The COVID-19 pandemic ushers in a new era of providing member services, classes, committee meetings, town halls, and special events virtually.
Jim Huang serves as the National ARIA president.
2021.
Bay East is a founding member of the NorCal MLS Alliance.
2022.
Save the date for our next milestone, a gala event celebrating Bay East's 100th anniversary and honoring its leadership on April 14th, 2022.